both Sparkies.
Abby, you're gonna hold tight.
This is a disaster.
Correct.
We are gathered here on this beautiful afternoon to celebrate the love of Titan Mayhew and Sparky Anderson. Sparky, will you take Titan to be your wife, your partner in life, your one true love? Shake his head, guys. Okay, good.
Oh my God.
Will you cherish her friendship and love today, tomorrow, and forever? Will you trust and honor her, laugh and cry with her? Will you be faithful through good times and bad, in sickness and in health, as long as you both shall live? Titan, will you take Sparky to be your husband, partner in life, and your one true love? Will you cherish his friendship and love him today, tomorrow, forever? Will you trust and honor him, laugh and cry with her? Will you be faithful in good times and bad, in sickness and in health, as long as you both shall live? Sparky and Titan, I pronounce you man and wife.
Whoever's really interested.
Now, okay, yeah, you can go ahead and lick her,
Run away.
Sparky. We're-
Hey, hey. This is harder than it looks. Look how good Sparky is. Tighten.
Okay,
Alright. Sit.
okay, we will commence with the reception.
Wait, can I stop recording?